Top 9. Diabetes-friendly vegetables must eat. They won't spike blood sugar. Did you know that eating just one serving of these specific vegetables daily could drop your blood sugar by up to 30 points within weeks? Most diabetics are completely unaware that certain vegetables act like natural insulin in your body, while others can actually spike your glucose levels dangerously high. Today, I'm revealing the 9 most powerful blood sugar-crushing vegetables that doctors rarely tell their patients about, and the shocking reason why vegetable timing could be the difference between stable glucose and diabetic complications. Not all vegetables are created equal for diabetics. Some can actually cause dangerous glucose spikes, while others work like medicine to naturally lower your levels. In this video, we're showing you the top 9 best veggies for diabetics. These are simple, everyday foods that help control blood sugar and improve your diabetes health. Plus, I'll share 5 quick, protein-packed breakfast ideas perfect for diabetics to keep you energized. And stick around for 5 budget-friendly luxury recipes that make you feel like royalty without breaking the bank. Let's begin with the veggies. Top 9 blood sugar stabilizing vegetables. Diabetes. Broccoli isn't just a simple side dish. It's a blood sugar powerhouse and a must-have in a diabetic-friendly diet. Its incredible power comes from a compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is more than just a buzzword. It's scientifically proven to help control glucose. Studies show that regularly adding broccoli to your meals can reduce fasting blood sugar levels by up to 10%. For many people, this translates to waking up with noticeably lower glucose readings without the need for increased medication. This small dietary change is a significant step toward preventing prediabetes from turning into full-blown type 2 diabetes. The structure of broccoli makes it highly effective. 1 cup of steamed broccoli contains just 6 grams of total carbohydrates, but provides a substantial 5 grams of fiber. This fiber is your secret weapon because it physically slows down sugar absorption in your gut. This is critical for diabetics, as it prevents the rapid sugar dump that causes dangerous insulin spikes and keeps your glucose levels remarkably steady throughout the day. Diabetes is often marked by chronic, low-level inflammation, which silently damages your nerves, kidneys, and blood vessels. Broccoli actively fights this destructive process. It's loaded with powerful antioxidants and vitamin C that calm inflammation, giving your body the tools it needs to repair itself. High glucose puts immense stress on the kidneys, but broccoli's natural compounds help reduce oxidative stress and support kidney function, lowering the risk of damage progression. Every bite of broccoli, whether roasted with garlic or added to a stir-fry, is a step toward restoring control and protecting your long-term health. Spinach is far more than just a leafy green. It's a therapeutic powerhouse for people with diabetes, especially for those struggling with nerve pain, fatigue, or blurry vision. Spinach is naturally rich in magnesium, a mineral that is absolutely essential for your insulin to work properly. Here's the shocking truth. Over 70% of diabetics are deficient in magnesium. Without enough of it, insulin struggles to unlock your cells to let sugar in, which leads to stubbornly high blood sugar readings. Getting enough magnesium from spinach helps improve your insulin's efficiency, essentially giving it the boost it needs to stabilize your glucose levels. The benefits of spinach go straight to your most vulnerable diabetic complications. It contains alpha-lipoic acid, a powerful compound known to help repair nerve damage and restore sensation. If you experience tingling in your feet at night or a burning feeling in your legs, neuropathy, adding spinach can help quiet those symptoms. Beyond nerves, spinach supports eye health, something diabetics must prioritize. It helps prevent diabetic retinopathy, which is a leading cause of blindness. Packed with folate, potassium, and iron, spinach also improves blood circulation and energy levels, fighting the sluggishness and poor blood flow that often plague diabetics. Tomatoes. Don't underestimate the humble tomato. For diabetics, it is a silent healer that works hard to protect your most vital organ. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that directly shields your blood vessels from the damage caused by fluctuating and consistently high blood sugar levels. High glucose in the blood causes arteries to stiffen, a major factor in heart disease. Since over 70% of diabetics will develop cardiovascular disease, this protection is crucial. Lycopene helps by preventing this dangerous arterial stiffening and can reduce bad LDL cholesterol by up to 10%, significantly lowering your risk of heart attacks and strokes. While a fresh tomato is great, what makes this veggie unique is that its healing nutrients become even more powerful when cooked. When you eat tomato-based soups, stews, or sauces, the heat releases the lycopene, giving you stronger anti-inflammatory and blood sugar stabilizing effects. A medium tomato contains just 5 grams of carbs and 1.5 grams of fiber, making it an ideal, low-impact food that quietly but powerfully holds back the storm of diabetic complications. Cabbage is one of the most powerful, yet overlooked, vegetables for managing diabetes and improving overall health. It's a champion because it's incredibly low in carbohydrates, just 4 g per cooked cup, and rich in filling fiber. This means it satisfies your hunger without spiking your blood sugar. The real strength of cabbage lies in its high content of powerful antioxidants like sulforaphane and anthocyanins. These compounds actively fight the chronic inflammation that is a root cause of insulin resistance in diabetics. By calming this inflammation, cabbage helps your insulin work more effectively to move sugar out of your bloodstream. Cabbage plays a crucial role in supporting your internal systems. It aids your liver's detoxification process, helping it clear excess glucose and improve your overall metabolism, a vital benefit since fatty liver disease is common in type 2 diabetics. The fiber in cabbage feeds good gut bacteria, promoting smoother digestion and reducing the bloating and sluggishness many diabetics experience. Cauliflower, the low-carb swap. Cauliflower is a blood sugar stabilizer because it's a perfect low-carb alternative to high glycemic foods like rice or potatoes. Swapping starchy food for cauliflower helps you avoid dangerous post-meal glucose spikes, which drive insulin resistance. It's packed with choline, which is essential for fat metabolism and crucial for liver health, helping to reverse insulin resistance. Mash it, rice it, or make a pizza crust. 6. Zucchini. Zucchini is one of the easiest veggies for diabetics to digest, perfect for those dealing with blood sugar swings or bloating. It has pectin, a fiber that physically slows down glucose absorption. Loaded with water and electrolytes, zucchini supports hydration and kidney function, both critical areas of concern for diabetics. Asparagus. Asparagus is a healing veggie rich in chromium, a trace mineral that directly helps your insulin move sugar into cells. Most diabetics are low on chromium, and a simple boost can improve insulin sensitivity by 10% to 20%. It contains glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, which protects your kidneys, eyes, and nerves from damage caused by high blood sugar. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are a sweet, crunchy, natural defense system for diabetics. Inflammation. Lowering. A medium pepper provides over 150% of your daily vitamin C, which helps lower inflammation and can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 30%. Vision protection. Red peppers are rich in lutein, which protects your vision from the long-term damage caused by high glucose. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are shockingly effective for blood sugar management. They are extremely low in carbs, less than 2 g per cup, and calories. Natural fiber. They contain beta-glucans, natural fibers that lower blood sugar by slowing glucose absorption and improving insulin sensitivity. Overall health. Regular mushroom intake can reduce fasting blood sugar by up to 12% and supports better nerve and kidney health. Starting your day right is key. These breakfasts are high in protein and low in sugar to keep your blood sugar steady all morning. Eggs, sautéed spinach for magnesium, juicy tomatoes for lycopene, and a little feta, all cooked in olive oil. This is a complete blood sugar defense. Swap high-carb grains for riced cauliflower and chopped broccoli. Top with a poached egg. This actively fights insulin resistance and protects your nerves. Sauté shredded zucchini with turkey sausage and bell peppers. Finish with creamy avocado slices. The healthy fats stabilize energy and prevent midday crashes. A savory twist. Blend tomatoes and spinach into Greek yogurt with chia seeds. The chia gel physically slows glucose absorption, preventing hour-long sugar spikes. Use cabbage leaves instead of tortillas. Fill with scrambled eggs and mashed avocado. It's a low-carb, high-fiber meal that fights inflammation and supports insulin function. Budget-friendly luxury. Diabetic meals. You don't need to spend a lot to eat like royalty while managing your blood sugar. These meals taste rich, but cost $5–7 per serving. Roasted red cabbage steaks with garlic butter. Slice a red cabbage into thick rounds, roast until tender, and drizzle with garlic-infused butter and feta. Looks and tastes like fine dining, but fights sugar damage. Stuffed zucchini boats with spinach and ricotta. Hollowed-out zucchini filled with creamy ricotta. Sautéed spinach and parmesan. It's a low-carb Italian-inspired dish that uses healthy fats to slow glucose absorption. Cauliflower crust pizza with tomato and mozzarella. Pulse steamed cauliflower to make a crispy, low-carb pizza crust. Top with fresh tomatoes and mozzarella. All the comfort of pizza without the blood sugar crash. Broccoli and cheese soufflé. A fluffy, airy masterpiece. Finely chopped broccoli mixed with eggs, milk, and sharp cheddar. This rich, cheesy dish is high in stabilizing protein and feels like a treat from a fancy bistro. Spinach and chicken stuffed peppers. Bell peppers stuffed with a flavorful mix of shredded chicken. Sautéed spinach and feta. It's a protein-rich, elegant, and nutrient-dense meal that supports nerve health and insulin function. Managing diabetes doesn't have to be hard. Small, smart changes in your kitchen can lead to big, lasting results. You've got this! If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Evergreen Health for more simple, science-backed tips. What's your favorite blood sugar-friendly vegetable? Tell me in the comments below.